Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, August the 8th, 2024. I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. Three puzzles are left, the binary, the jigsaw Sudoku. This one is very interesting. 9 printed digits, this one, yes. Looking forward to solve this one. But we have also a 4-star Sudoku. 4-star Sudoku number 9054. 9054. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has truly 24 printed digits. And it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 2 twos. We have here 3 threes. Nope, 4 threes. All right. How about the fours? 1 4, 3 fives, 2 sixes, 3 sevens, 2 eights, and 3 nines. Alright, so the threes are in majority. Can I start with a 3? Well, no. Well, not true. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, there are only 3 places left. The 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Need a 3. Yeah, 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left. The 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in the last column, 3 in that column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 3. I need to wait. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7. Alright. And now, in 1 here. Come on. 1, need a 2. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 6. We have 1 and a 6 in this column, so no 1 and 6 in these 3 boxes. 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 3 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, the 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. Well, we have a 2 and a 5 in this row, so no 2 and a 5 in this box. 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 4. Alright. 1 box left now in this column for number 1. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing here. Okay. 8, need the 8 there. Need the 8 there, okay. And I need a 9 here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, now only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, 3rd row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. I need a 5 here. Need a 5 there, yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the 3rd row, no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, now only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 it should be there. Need a 1, need a 2, 2, 2. And I need a 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 6, 6. That means I need a 6 here. In this row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. Here can be 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. Here can be 6. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there. So the 6 in this row could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6. Well. Need a 3 there. One of the missing number in this row is number 1. Here can be 1, we have 1 in this column, no 1 there. Here can be 1, we have 1 in the third column, no 1 there. So the only place left with 1 in this row should be there. So 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. And we have a pair, the 1 and the 6 in the first column, the 1 and the 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Here we have also a pair in this row, 1 and a 6, okay. Then 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column, so the third column. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes early with a 5. We have a 5 in the first row, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. Need 8 here. Alright. Need 5 there. Come on. This is taking too long. Well. 1. No 1 here, 1. Yeah. I'm thinking. Yeah. 2, 2. 4, need a 4 here. Well, no 4 here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 6. 8. 4 could be 8. No 8 here. 8. I'm stuck here again. I'm stuck. No 9. 9. No 9. 9. Yeah, 9. 9. 3. About these 2, 4, and the 2. 2 and 4 here. Yeah. About here, 1, 6, and the need a 4 here. Can be 1. Can be 6. Could be 6 here. 1, 6, and a 4. Yeah, I'm sleepy. 2. Yeah. In this column, we need a 2. These 2 boxes can be 2. We have a 2 in this big square, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then, let me see. No 2 here. 2. No 2 there. 2. No. 2. 2 in this column, 2 in column next on last column. The only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And we have a pair. The 2 and the 3 in the first row, the 2 and the 3 in the second row from the third row. Only 2 places left. The 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 box left in the second row for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, and 3. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. So we have 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 8 in the second row. So third row, the only 2 places left, the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. Need to mark those 2 boxes. 4 and the 6. So here should be also 4 and a 6, 2 and a 3. And I need a 1 here. We have a 1 here. And I need a... Oh, no. Oh, yeah. No, 8, 8, 8. Okay. 4, 6, 1, and the 7. Yeah, I need a 7 here. Okay. Let me think. Come on. 2 there. Well, we have a 2 there. In the middle, in the second column, we need a 2. Well, the 2 should be in one of those 2 boxes. Here can be 2. Here can be 2. We have a 2 there. So the 2 in the second column could be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Alright. Then, let me see. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 4 and the 6, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. 1 and the 6, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 and the 6, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 6 goes there. Do we have all the 6s? No. 6 in this column, 6 in last column, 6 in the column next on that column. The only 2 places left, the 6 will be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 1 box left in the third row should be the 4. Let me count. And all the 6s are used. I can't see. This is number 1, number 6. But the 1. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left, the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left, the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. Only place left, the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 1. 1 box left in this big square for number, I believe the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below, so last row only 2 places left. The 2 could be here, could be there. Cannot fill this yet. Then let me see. How about these 2 missing numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. The 8, 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. No, I cannot fill this yet. How about these 2 missing numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only two places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place left, 7 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 and 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and then 9 goes there. Two numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 8 and 9, we have a 9 in this second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes at there. 3 and 8, we have 8 in this column, third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 and 3, we have 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. Mark those two boxes early with a 2. We have a 2 in the third column, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. 1 box left in the first column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4, the 9, 4, the 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. Same numbers, 4 and 9. 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes in there. Finish in 16 minutes. Wow, 1 minute more than the previous Sudoku. Well. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. Yeah, looking forward to this jigsaw Sudoku. 9 printed digits. Yeah. Alright. Thank you. See you later on. Bye bye for now.